In this video, we'll be showing you how we changed the batteries on our Hornady safe. Now, first thing you want to do is open up the safe door. You can do that by either using the keypad, or if the battery is dead, you can go ahead and use the key. For this example, we'll be going ahead and just using the key to manually unlock the door. With the safe now open, the next thing we need to do is locate the battery compartment, which we can find on the very top of the safe. Then we'll push the little tab in and the battery compartment will slide out. This safe requires 4 AAA batteries, so we'll go ahead and remove the old ones and replace them with some fresh batteries. Once all of the new batteries have been added, then the last thing to do is just take this and slide it into that battery compartment. This little box which holds the batteries is going to go right in between those 2 grooves, and then we'll just push it up to the ceiling to lock it in place. Now, the last thing that we're going to do is just test it to make sure that these batteries are working fine. So we'll go ahead, look at the top, and punch in a few digits here, and we can see that this safe does have power. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.